President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has urged Ugandans to stop running around and stop traveling outside. Reason being that when he visited and he was persuaded to go to Dubai, and some of his teams came back with 3 corona infections, and 2 from Dubai and 1 from Ethiopia. Therefore, he addressed this today while at Kololo, saying that some of his staffs contacted COVID-19 from Dubai and Ethiopia. Hello, welcome, and thanks for taking your time joining us live on Projan Media TV. But let's take more look into some of these details. President Museveni was on Saturday afternoon addressing the nation at Uganda's 59th independence at Kololo Independence Grounds in Kampala. Mr. Museveni says that in the past 2 years, 2020 and 2021, the new Uganda that rose after so many problems has shown that it can stand on its feet and defeat any challenge. In these 2 years, as many know how they have dealt successfully with the problem of locust invasion, the rising levels of the waters of the lakes, the landslides, and the corona pandemic where they minimized the death. He also lauded the whistleblowers who periodically expose the corrupt people and parasites. He also congratulated the Ugandans and Africans at large and partners in the world, saying that Uganda's achievements are not by Ugandans alone. Therefore, the people of Africa and the partners who buy goods from Africa and the services contribute to this success as much as the Africans. Museveni says the first oil to be pumped out of the ground will be achieved by 2025 because all agreements have been signed, and additionally, even the economy managed some growth in both financial years, that is 2020/2021, and this one 2021/2022. In the former, they managed a growth rate of 3.4%, and in the current one is estimated that it shall achieve a rate of 3.8%. By the end of June 2022, Museveni says country's GDP will be standing at 41 billion US dollars, and all this without the contributions of the oil to be pumped out of the ground. The first oil to be pumped out of the ground will be by 2025. He therefore congratulated the people of Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, and the partners in the world because these achievements are not by efforts of Ugandans alone. However, they could have achieved more if it wasn't for the parasites that want to harvest where they have not sowed. Well, that is it for now, and those are the words from His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni while addressing the nation in the 59th independence of Uganda at Kololo Airstrip. Thanks for watching Projan Media TV, and we'll keep on updating with more of this. Just kindly do one thing: subscribe, turn on the notification button. All these updates will come to you in time. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.